The Chinese Genealogy Group, CGG, Family Tree Template. In this section, I will be introducing you to the CGG Family Tree Template.
Custom, Chinese Genealogy Group, CGG, Family Tree Template. How to go from this to this. The CGG Family Tree Template System Components. CGG Template PowerPoint Program. CGG Family Tree Template. Connector Toolbox. Placeholder Icons. Generation Icons. Here is the template we will be using. There are 6 rows of generational icons, and a grand ancestor icon. Connecting lines and brackets have been included on the template for easier copying and pasting. The CGG icon, the heart of the system. Connector lines and brackets, fully adjustable. Placeholder icons. These placeholder icons may be used as a substitute if you are missing someone's photo. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template. Prerequisites. Laptop, PC or Mac, PowerPoint app software. List of names of family members, sorted by generation. Headshot photos of family members. Other photos or icons, family photos, Chinese surname character, family symbols, etc. MyHeritage app, photo editing app, optional. Prerequisites. Laptop and your own PowerPoint software. List of family member names and spouses, organized by generation in a Word document file. Headshot photos of family members and spouses in a download file. Family surname icons, symbols, and family photos in a download file. Optional. MyHeritage software, and photo editing software. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template. You will be receiving these materials for using the Chinese Genealogy Group Family Tree Template. The materials include 1. CGG Vertical Family Tree Template. Dropbox and Google Drive links, we will use this template for the workshop. 2. CGG Horizontal Family Tree Template. Dropbox and Google Drive links, this is an optional template. 3. 112 Common Chinese Surnames. This is a Wikipedia reference source for your family name including your surname character. 4. Detailed instructions for using Chinese Genealogy Group, CGG, Family Tree Template. Word file attached. 5. YouTube video instructions for creating Chinese Genealogy Group, CGG, Family Tree Scroll. YouTube link attached. CGG Family Tree Template, email. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template. Open the email and click on the Dropbox link to CGG Vertical Family Tree Template. Once in the Dropbox site, click on Download at top right to download the file to your computer. Open the downloaded PowerPoint file, CGG Vertical Family Tree Template, to begin working on your tree. Important, once in the Dropbox site, do not click on Open in, or PowerPoint for the web, to open the PowerPoint program, CGG Vertical Family Tree Template. Otherwise, you will corrupt the CGG template for everyone. Opening email, and Dropbox PowerPoint template link. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template. If the above Dropbox link does not work, use the Google Drive link. Click on the link to open the PowerPoint presentation in Google Drive. Once in the Google Drive site, go to File tab, click on Download, then click as PowerPoint to download the file to your computer. Open the downloaded PowerPoint file, CGG Vertical Family Tree Template, to begin working on your tree. Opening email, and Google Drive link. This is your CGG PowerPoint template, containing 8 slides. CGG PowerPoint template slides. Slide 1. CGG Descendant template. Slide 2. Blank slide. Slide 3. Connector toolbox. Slide 4. Placeholder icons. Slide 5. Generational icons. Slide 6. Duplicate CGG template. Slide 7. Partial populated template. Slide 8. Ancestor template, optional.
You have now been introduced to the CGG template, and are ready to start creating your family tree.
Good luck, and have fun.
During this section, I will show you how to create your CGG family tree.
Creating the CGG family tree. There are 5 components used to create the CGG family tree scroll. 1. CGG template. 2. Names. 3. Headshot photos. 4. Connecting lines and brackets. 5. Embellishments. We will create the CGG family tree scroll in 4 steps. 1. Add names for 6 generations. 2. Add photos for 6 generations. 3. Add connecting lines for 6 generations. 4. Add embellishments. Here is the template we will be using. There are 6 rows of generational icons, and a grand ancestor icon. Connecting lines and brackets have been included on the template for easier copying and pasting. Instructions for CGG family tree template, adding names. Zoom viewing area. Click on first icon in the first generation, then click on text box. Type in name of family member. Adjust the size of the box and recenter as needed. The icon gender does not matter at this point. Click on second icon, and then click text box. Type in name of family member. Repeat until generation row 1 is completed. Try to keep family in chronologic order if possible. Delete icons if too many. Copy and paste if too few. CGG family tree template, adding names. Click on first icon of row 2, then click on text box. Type in name of family member. Adjust the size of the box and recenter as needed. Click on the second icon. Type in name. Repeat until generation 2 is completed. Delete icons if too many. Copy and paste if too few. Try to keep families together in each row and nearby the parent's generation in the previous row. Adding names. Second generation. Repeat the same process for each generation. If there are extra icons, delete them. If you need more icons, copy and paste from the same row. This template can accommodate up to 6 generations. If there are fewer than 6 generations, delete the extra rows. If you need more than 6 generations, improvise. If you have a main or progenitor ancestor, use the top left icon. Adding names. Next generations. CGG family tree template, adding names, completed. Instructions for CGG family tree template, customizing names. To customize the name box and text, click a person's icon and then click the text box. Font type, size, bold, underline, italics, color, etc. can all be adjusted using the font group of the Home tab. The text box can be resized if needed, and customized with colored outline and color fill using shape format, shape fill and shape outline. The default font is Calibri, size 7 for first 4 generations. And size 4 for last 2 generations. CGG family tree template, customizing names. CGG family tree template, customizing names, completed. Instructions for CGG family tree template, adding Chinese names. Prepare Chinese name characters in a Word document. Chinese names can be added by clicking a person's icon, clicking the text box, and copy and pasting the Chinese characters from the Word document into the end of the name. Resize font of Chinese characters to 7 for generations 1 to 4 and to 4 for generations 5 to 6. Resize the text box. CGG family tree template, adding Chinese names. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template, adding photos. If you wish to add photos of your family members, you will need headshot portraits of each family member. It is desirable to have photos of each generation taken from about the same time period to maintain relative age appearance. If you do not have portraits, headshots can be created by multiple cropping of a group photo. Cropping can be done with a photo editing app or by using the crop function in PowerPoint. Because of issues with small size and low resolution of cropped headshots, it would be desirable to enhance the headshots with an AI-assisted program such as MyHeritage. If your photos are loaded on your computer, it is fairly easy to add the photos. You can add photos either by using the Change Picture function in PowerPoint, or by deleting the icon Pick and Copy and pasting the new photo in its place. Go to the first icon in Generation Row 1. His name should be in place already. Click on the icon, and then click on the placeholder picture. Click on Picture Format on the top ribbon. Find the Change Picture button and click. Click from a file. Locate the file where your headshot photo is located. Click the appropriate photo and click Insert to swap the photo, and the new photo should appear in place of the icon. Repeat for every family member in each of the generations. If someone does not have a photo, you can leave the placeholder I have in place, or copy and paste one of the generic placeholder icons I have provided on PowerPoint slides 4 and 5. Make sure the gender of the placeholder is correct. CGG Family Tree Template, adding photos. CGG Family Tree Template, adding photos, completed. CGG Family Tree Template, using the placeholder icon. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template, aligning the icons. Once all the pictures are in place, you can straighten and align the icons. For each row, left-click and drag to highlight the entire row. Click Shape Format function, then click the Arrange or Align function. Click Align Middle to straighten the row. CGG Family Tree Template, aligning the icons. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template, adding connecting lines. Try to move families relatively close to each other. The next step is to add all the connecting relationship lines. First, duplicate, or copy and paste the simple two-prong bracket on the template. Use the simple two-prong bracket to pair up all family members and their spouses. One generation at a time. If there is more than one spouse, use the shape format function to change the solid brackets to dotted or dashed brackets. CGG Family Tree Template, adding connecting lines. Pairing family members and spouses. Next, connect each set of parents with their children using the multi-prong brackets. If there is one child, use the single bar/prong. There are brackets for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 children. The prongs on the bracket are movable and the length is adjustable. Click on prong to move its position. If there are more than 9 children, copy and paste extra bars/prongs onto the brackets. If the children are not located directly under the parents, use the angle bracket to connect. It is helpful to use the zoom/magnify/enlarge function to assist in sizing and placing the brackets and connectors. If you have trouble keeping lines straight, click Shape Format, find the Rotate function, click More Rotate options, and you can fine-tune rotation to keep everything straight. CGG Family Tree Template, adding more connecting lines. CGG Family Tree Template, adding connecting lines, completed. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template, adding embellishments. After all the names are entered, headshot pictures attached, and all connecting lines are drawn, you are now ready to put on the finishing touches. First, delete all of the excess connector lines and brackets, used for copy and pasting, on the sides of the template. Enter your family surname on the title line. If you wish, you can add your name as the creator, and the date. Connectors deleted. Add surname. Add author and date. Add your family surname icon or any family logos. Use any blank space on the chart. There is usually room to add small family group photos or other images important to your family. Feel free to move items around as needed. CGG Family Tree Template, adding embellishments. CGG Family Tree Template, completed. The next slide shows the completed Kwong family tree, created using the CGG template. The completed Kwong family tree. Instructions for CGG Family Tree Template, saving and filing the completed template. Now that the template has been completed, the work must be exported and saved to a file. First, click on the slide with the template. Click File. Click Export. Click Download or whatever location the file is to be saved. Go to Export As, and type in name of file, for example, Kwong Clan Family Tree. Go to File Format, and open the drop-down menu. Click PNG as the file format. Choose Save Current Slide Only. Change size values, to width, 3000, and length, 1688. Click Export. Your template is now exported and saved in your designated folder where you can click and view it. Here is your completed Chinese Genealogy Group family tree scroll. Exported, saved, and filed.
You have now completed all the steps for creating your CGG family tree. Congratulations!
Let's discuss some options for printing and displaying your family tree scrolls. Displaying your family tree scroll. Now it's time to display your project. The family tree template is designed to print on one page on your home printer using letter size or legal size glossy photo paper. The PowerPoint format 16:9 will fill the page better if using legal size format 8.5:14 paper. Your family tree printed on photo paper can be displayed using any standard 8.5:11 or 8.5:14 frames. Depending on the resolution of your photos, the family tree can also be enlarged to 11:14, 16:20, 18:24, up to 24:36 and either framed as a poster or mounted as a scroll. The photo should be at least 300 dpi resolution to get good quality poster-sized enlargements. This is the Kwong family tree, printed with an Epson ET4850 inkjet home printer, on 8.5:14 glossy photo paper. Here are some prices for printing poster-size scrolls. Vista Print charges $38 for a glossy finish, 24:36 poster. FedEx charges $34 for a matte finish, 24:36 poster. Shown here is a 24:36 poster, mounted as a hanging scroll with a set of magnetic walnut scroll mounts. Here are some prices for frames and mounts. For magnetic scroll mounts, Amazon charges $21 for a 24-inch mount, and $27 for a 36-inch mount. Shown are 8.5:14 glossy prints mounted in wood and glass frames. Amazon charges $10 for 8.5:14 wood frame with glass. This is the Chan family tree, printed on a 11:17 burnt parchment paper scroll. Scrolls Unlimited charges $55 for a 11:17 burnt parchment scroll. Amazon charges $32 for two 24:36 acrylic poster frames. This is a picture of yours truly, Kenneth Chan, at his Chan Clan family reunion, proudly displaying his Chan Clan family tree scroll, mounted in a 24:36 acrylic poster frame. I hope you have fun creating your own family tree scroll, and best of luck with all of your genealogy projects.